The Clarity to SharePoint integration provides a method for sharing data and information in SharePoint that was created in Clarity. I'm now going to show you the synchronization between Clarity and SharePoint through some very simple examples. I'm going to show you how a milestone is updated in Clarity and then reflected in SharePoint. And then I'm going to do the same thing for resource allocation and go through that process. Now I'm going to go over to Clarity and look at the task list for a specific project in my Gantt chart. I'm going into a specific milestone that is in the schedule, and I'm just simply going to change the date for that particular milestone to, say, the 25th of November. Save and return. As you can see, the new date on that milestone inside of Clarity is 11/25. Go back into SharePoint. Before I synchronize, the milestone date here is 11/20. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my sync with Clarity. And it goes out, looks at the database, and refreshes my page with the new date for that milestone. In a similar way, I'm now going to show how I can refresh a chart for the resource allocation within a project. And this is my specific project. It's a project PR 2000. I'm back over here, and I can see if I go to properties that the project name or the number for that project is PR 2000. And I'm actually going to update now the information associated with one of my resources. I'm going to allocate that person to 100% of the project for the period of time that they're allocated for the project. So now, as you can see, they're 100%. The allocation total has gone up. So now when I go back over to SharePoint, this is the previous amount before I refresh my chart. And when I refresh my chart, you'll see that Aaron Gillian's amount of allocation has increased.